Agriculture is scientific.
Agriculture is innovative.
Agriculture is rewarding.
Agriculture is everywhere.
Nowadays, agriculture isn't just farming. It's not just crop or livestock production.
A degree in agriculture is very diverse and it's applicable in many different areas. There are so many job opportunities, so many possibilities.
So with this ag program, we have a few different things going on that makes us unique. We have our campus farm, which is on site.
We own 150 acres as a college, but the students farm 26 acres. So they are able to take that theoretical knowledge and apply it in the practical sense and hands-on.
In our classes, we get to balance a lot of hands-on learning with what we learn in class through labs or going out to the ag shed.
I was able to be out there when they're harvesting the corn and soybean test plots.
One great experience I had in the classroom was Mr. Mott's Precision Ag class. We were able to work with drones, a lot with guidance, driving tractors.
The IVCC Agriculture Department has a variety of different partnerships with the community. We partner with the University of Illinois Ag Extension Agency to conduct a variety of different research experiments, but we also utilize some of their extension agents for guest presentations in the classroom.
Something else that we've done is we have worked with our local agribusinesses to bring in on-campus or on-farm research and take that data to students and be able to get them in the field, hands-on, working with those researchers. We're also able to utilize some of their equipment and their resources to bring that in the classroom and teach students.
There's a lot of hands-on learning, and it's something I valued a lot.
It really helps you decide what you want to do with your future. It gives you the opportunity to see industries in action and what they do for a day-to-day basis.
And so the new agriculture building is providing students with the right resource.
We will have our own designated space when it comes to lectures, when it comes to lab. We will be able to literally step outside the door and be in the field.
One thing I would tell the current and future students would be to utilize the professors as much as you can.
The professors are very accessible.
Mr. Mott and Dr. Timbers are top-notch educators. They are very interested in our education and helping us with our careers.
A really helpful aspect of the IVCC Ag program was the Career and Internship Fair, which gives a lot of students the opportunity to talk to local employers and people that are really supportive of the IVCC Ag program and IVCC students, which is how I got my summer internship.
My advice to current students would be to look into the foundation scholarships. The application process is super simple, very easy, and there are so many applications and scholarships that go towards the ag program.
IVCC's affordability and access to so many scholarships has really allowed me to focus on my schoolwork without worrying about how I will pay for it.
I love that I can enjoy a high-quality education so close to home.
Because it's so close to home, I was able to still see my family and still take care of my animals, as well as maintain a life outside of school.
The Illinois Valley is rooted in agriculture. I mean, it's not going away anytime soon.
The future of farming is now, and IVCC has really set me up to be prepared for it.
I really feel like IVCC Agriculture has prepared me for a future career no matter what I do.
Are you ready to plant the seeds of your future? Apply today and join an amazing team of faculty and students at IVCC.